obviously very bad weather out there, and yeah, getting worse. And the video just doesn't show it properly though, although you can kind of see how bad it is because of where the, yeah, it just doesn't show it properly, man. You can't see it or feel it. But now, crazy, and it's getting worse. Well, it's cold, it's raining at the moment, so that's why the snow seems to be melting on the mountains a bit. And yeah, it's windy obviously, that's why we're on land. As you can see, the snow is melting away on the ground everywhere. But yeah, it's quite miserable, quite miserable. Let me zoom in those mountains a bit. You can barely see the top of the mountain actually. Okay, so this is not pleasant weather. This is, yeah, we've got waves in the harbour. Whoa. This is quite hectic weather. Oh, okay, so it's even hard to just stand still on the boat, yeah, not pleasant weather this at all. So I doubt we'll be going out tonight, maybe tomorrow morning. Let's see.
Wij kunnen een vloek hebben. Wij kunnen een vloek hebben.
Okay. Whoa, up to 42 meters per second. Crazy, crazy, crazy where they are, man. That poor little boat which is just above my finger there, small one, above my nail, getting hammered on the docks on the other side there. The waves in that are crazy on the other side. You can see the poor thing bobbing up and down. Like I say, 42 meters per second the winds. It's just,